Hi, this is Marty Hernandez of Realty, and today we have the house tour of a fully furnished corner modern house in Montevista Heights in Taytay, Rizal. So meron siyang lot area ng 100 square meters and a floor area of around 200 square meters. So makikita natin ang ating fully modern contemporary. Ating kalawa, we have the parking or gate para sa ating car parking, and of course yung ating pedestrian gate na nakikita natin behind. So what I really appreciate about this house is the finishing. Kung mapapansin natin, yung steps pa lang sa ating main door, gawa sa granite. And we have also spaces dito sa right side, sa left side. So sa right side, may open space ka lang doon. Dito sa left side, we have your dirty kitchen na meron din granite countertop. So biruin natin, dirty kitchen made out of granite. And mapapansin natin, we have floor to ceiling tiles na to add design sa ating service area / dirty kitchen. So dito, behind me, we have your 2-car parking. It's high ceiling and maganda yung ating mga design for our ceiling. So meron din tayong open space dito sa part nito para may hangin pang pumapasok sa ating 2-car parking. So makikita din natin yung mga ating subtle designs, yung mga pebbles and trees para magkaroon pa tayo ng aesthetic for our 2-car parking. E meron na rin tayo sliding door na access going to our dining kitchen. So tingnan naman natin yung ating ground floor as we go through our main door. So mapapansin natin din yung handles ng ating main door, and maganda yung ating door mismo. It's very solid. Papansin nyo, like pinatok mo, mahalata mo na solid talaga yung ating main door. So upon entering our home, kung natin mapapansin is yung ating living area o ating living space. And what I also know about our living space is complete na tayo with split type aircons. Tapos marami pa tayong window for natural light. So dito pwede natin lagay yung ating television. Nakita natin dito kasama na to, 55 inches. So ang ating property is fully furnished. Lilipat na lang kayo. So kita natin setup ng ating couch, where you can imagine spending time with your family and friends. So dito mapapansin natin may kwarto dito, and this one is the intended maid's room / senior's room na rin. So ang maganda kahit maid's room siya or senior's room, meron na rin tayong aircon included, plus the Korean blinds for our window na ano din. Magandang quality sliding window. Plus yung ating floor to ceiling built-in cabinets na may mirror pa. So di talaga tinipid yung ating property for the finishing. Papansin din natin, high ceiling yung ating property, whether nasa ground floor ka or nasa second floor ka, maganda yung pagka-layout ng ating property or ng ating bahay. So here, we have the kitchen and the dining area. So makikita din natin, complete na yung ating appliances. We have your microwave, your oven, you have the refrigerator, and we have storages that you can use. Marami tayong storages. So whether overhead cabinets or under the countertop cabinets, madami tayong malalagyan dito. Plus, lahat ng ating mga cabinets, drawers, naka-soft close na din. So for our countertops, this is made out of solid synthetic surface. Meron tayong deep aluminum sink, plus yung ating gripo, faucet. And then here we have your exhaust and yung ating cooktop na kasama na rin sa ating kitchen. And then here we have your dining area, so you can accommodate 6 people. Na kasama na rin itong ating dining table, plus yung ating mga modern lighting fixtures. And here we have a door. So this one is a bathroom. So for our bathrooms, floor to ceiling na rin siyang tiles, plus we have the tempered glass to separate the shower area from the other fixtures. So complete na yung ating mga fixtures dito. Sa pagligo, even bidet meron siya plus the mirror. Tapos, meron pa tayong secret door dito, kung hindi nyo napansin. Meron tayong storage underneath the staircase. So you can put things here para may extra space tayo. So tingnan naman natin yung ating second floor to see the bedrooms. Ang ating staircase, yung steps natin is made out of wood talaga. Plus yung ating railing made out of metal. Metal na wooden design din siya. So upon landing sa ating second floor, we have a big space right here. So pwede tayo maglagay ng extra couches if you just want to relax here. So malaking space talaga to. And you have lots of windows, stationary windows, awning windows for natural light and air circulation. So dito sa ating kanan, meron tayong 2 rooms. And mapapansin din natin kung gaano kataas yung ating mga doors and gaano ka-solid talaga yung ating doors. Hindi siya yung mga murang pinili talaga. So for our first bedroom of the house, so we have a high ceiling bedroom. Tapos meron na tayong aircon included. We have Korean blinds, even yung mga mattress, yung bed frame, and yung ating floor to ceiling cabinets kasama na rin siya. So silipin natin ang tsura ng ating floor to ceiling cabinet. So papansin natin hanggang taas, syempre hindi ko naabot yun. Pero at least you have the option to put things sa cabinet na to sa taas. Plus yung ating bathroom for this room. So yung ang maganda din is bawat kwarto meron ng bathroom and high ceiling bathroom na siya. Of course, with complete water texture na rin. We have your glass partition, we have your rainfall shower, you have your sink, your water closet, bidet, tas may towel rack na rin. Of course, yung ating mirror. And then beside this one, actually in front of it, is the second bedroom. Pero dito meron ka ng access sa inyong balcony. So, meron ka ng bed frame, meron na tayong ceramic tile 60 by 60 for the flooring. Tapos yung ating built-in cabinet na again, floor to ceiling. And meron ka ng pin light dito para hindi kayo mahirapan. Plus, split type aircon din. So, tingnan natin yung ating balcony. So this is our balcony na may extra space ka lang kung gusto mo pahinga lang sa umaga, kung gusto mo pahangin sa umaga or sa hapon. So you can do that here. And maganda dito is maganda yung railing, is tempered glass pa yung ating railing. So papansin na natin, pati yung mga sliding door natin, high quality din siya. So dito naman, it has its own bathroom, tulad naman ng kanina din naman siya. So floor to ceiling tiles, with your awning window dito for exhaust, pero may exhaust fan pa talaga tayo. Plus yung ating complete water fixtures, yung ating division, yung tempered glass division, plus yung rainfall shower, yung ating sink, yung ating aluminum made out of aluminum na, or stainless steel na bidet, and yung ating magandang quality na door. So kahit door siya for the bathroom, maganda yung quality niya. Hindi siya yung wooden door na madaling masira dahil sa tubig. So lastly naman, we have the master bedroom located behind me. So tingnan natin. So for our master bedroom, of course, this is going to be the biggest one. Meron din siyang sariling balcony. If you want to, again, magpahangin sa labas kung gusto mong magmuni-muni lang dito. Pero kasama na rin tayo dito yung ating bed frame, yung ating floor-to-ceiling built-in cabinets na may pin lights na rin, para hindi kayo mahirapan. Kita rin natin dito, may mga television na kasama, tapos meron pa tayong mga floating shelves na lahat soft close, mga drawer natin. And of course, meron pa tayong master bathroom. So mapapansin din tayo natin dito, meron tayong shelf na naka-float. Ito yung monitor for the CCTVs na included sa bahay. So for our master bathroom, ganun din siya, enclosed with tempered glass yung ating shower area, plus the complete rainfall shower with telephone shower, and yung ating mga fixtures na complete na rin, just like the bathrooms before. So meron tayong stainless steel na bidet, and yung ating sink and mirror and towel rack, plus the exhaust fan. So actually that's it for this video. I hope umabot kayo sa part na to, and if you enjoyed watching this one, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para ma-notify pa kayo for more real estate listings. Again, my name is Marty from Fika Realty, and we hope to see you in our next house tour video. Keep safe.